Alright, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So wealth, elf, and health, elf. So wealth. So the amount of money, here we are. The amount of money you have in cash, amount of money you have in cash that you can live without work, without needing to work. The amount of money you've got so you don't need to work. Yeah. This will help me increase my wealth. Yeah. I know ways to have more wealth. He is building a lot of wealth. His wealth lasted a long time. I know how to build wealth. Yeah. They want to build wealth. She is building wealth the slow way. Slow way. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So, health. The overall status and well-being of you, your mind and body. Diet and exercise is important to have good health. How cool is that? Yes. By exercising, his health improved. Health is a thing you should not lose in life. You need to maintain good health forever. Yeah, very important. Health is very important to a good life. How cool is that? Yeah. So they want to have good health. You can't enjoy your wealth if your health is bad. Yeah. Let's try and get a picture. Health. Yeah, anything. Health, for example, like this. Health. Yeah. How cool is that? Let's try and get one more. Health. Yeah, this one. Yeah, any this one. Perfect. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So, wealth, the amount of money you have without needing to work, and health, your body. How cool is that? So, can you use wealth in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Health and wealth. And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. English with Adrian. On YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.